I wanted to show you how you can use something called Practice Anatomy Lab to study for your lab practical, if you would like. So just go into the e-text and study area, and then go into the study area. And yours will look a little bit different. I'm signed in as myself here. So let's go to the course home. And here's the study area. So that opened as a new window for me. But what I wanted to show you is this, Practice Anatomy Lab. Click on that, and then click on the link to open it up. And we'll go to histology, and let's just pick epithelial tissue. So you can do 3 things here. You can self-review, and self-review is a little bit like the e-text. You know, I can look through these images, and I can show the labels, or I can hide the labels. Okay, I could show the whole collection of pictures, and then pick which one I want to look at. So simple or stratified. So that's the self-review. You can also quiz yourself on these images, and the quiz is multiple choice. So, what does that look like? You can see if I'm right or not, and I can keep going, take the whole quiz, or I can quit. I'm going to quit. To show you the lab practical is fill in the blank. You know, so here, if I spell something wrong, I'm going to get dinged on that, but they'll show me the correct spelling. So no worries. So I can keep going through the lab practical and answer this the best I can. And then look at my results when you get to the end of this. I'm going to just quit. So those are the 3 things that you can do in Practice Anatomy Lab, and you can actually use this through the whole semester. So you can do that with connective tissue and so on. So I hope this helps out. Thanks.